Welcome to ATR. I'm the Flight Safety Officer for ATR, also in charge of quality, supporting all our customers improve their safety margins.
Hello, my name is Susanna Hronkova. I'm leading marketing team in ATR, and my role is to follow and understand market evolution, market trends, and ensure that our product, our aircraft, answer airline needs.
I think about not just our colleagues today, but all our predecessors in the company, what they have built.
The main objective remains same, maintain the aircraft at the leading edge in terms of technology and passenger experience.
We started with the 42, moved up to the 72, constant developments in the engine, the avionics, the structures. From a customer perspective, we're already starting from a great baseline in terms of fuel burn. I mean, it's a fantastic number.
In fact, the fuel burn advantage is one of the main points which reduce the overall operating cost for the airlines, but also it's very important in terms of environmental credential, because in the same time the ATR engine is emitting 40% less CO2 emissions compared to regional jets.
We've never stopped developing this particular design, this particular aircraft, be it in the engines, the avionics, the cabin configuration. ATR have flight test programs which are continually evolving, and it means now that when we're doing major modifications, major changes, even some minor modifications, we've got this fantastic flight test facility.